My name is Jesus Magdaleno. I'm from Aiken, South Carolina, and I graduated from Aiken High School class of 2017. My major is an associate's degree in industrial technology with emphasis in numerical control. My career goal is to put into the works what I have learned in the classroom as well as what I have learned in the technical scholarship program that I have worked with other people in the industry that have been in there for years, and to hopefully one day become a supervisor in the industrial industry. Aiken Technical College has helped me pursue and not only get but have advancement in the industry by coming in and having experience with working with other people that have been in the industry for several years. And it's almost kind of like a mentorship that you get plus the Technical Scholar program, because you get to see behind the scenes of what goes on rather than just the theory practice that you see in the classroom. The scholarship is just amazing because it gives you so much freedom to focus on your academics and your networking with other individuals, and not to focus so much on how am I going to pay for this semester or how am I going to be able to afford the capital for the books. It's almost like somebody takes the weight off your back and it says, I got you, I got your back, and just do your best. If I had the chance to speak face to face with the technical scholars that have provided me the opportunity to go to school and get a higher education, I would let them know how much it has impacted my family and me personally to advance in educational goal, as it is very, very hard and very, very difficult to obtain it. To get a college education for me, it means so much because I have seen how hard it is to not have one. Not only to not have one, but to not be able to get one, regardless of what you do. It's a treasure that is sometimes seen as normality, but when in reality is a luxury. To be able to go to college, to be able to drive to college, to be able to speak the same language as is taught in school and to understand it, it's so important to me that I just can't really put it to words. It's something different. It is.